Welcome back to the channel Handmade Wood Work Project for your house. Handmade project bring warm chaptering and a personal story into any house. In a world full of the message product functional handcraft wood price stood out. Bring then reference still and craft for a YouTube audience. Woodwork contact is a fact and convenient various soft value and inspire result. We explored beautiful and affront handmade woodwork project of the home that bring explored woodwork skill and can craft handmade woodwork project at preference of the home would have a timeless appear wood handmade wood project add natural textile warm vibrant living space whether your home style is modern rustic farmhouse or traditional would effectively another result those project and preference for home use is crafting you can choose the size color find and design to match your scope for view woodwork project are also high soft to watch the transforming for rain lamp to the finish price cape audience theme to the project theme and make wood shed for Emma Rome. Woodwork sheds are one of the most popular woodwork projects for the house. Then our property shed bring friendly failed house made for bind would look clean for modern white decade. Reclaim wood shade create a rustic feel. You can create full for living room and bedroom. Canvas for smart shed. Kitchen space rock. Bathroom shed. Decor. Show mastering cut shoot and productive helped view. Understanding that shed available even with basic tool. Wood functional product. Handmade wood furniture is also a story YouTube topic. YouTube simple functional product are appear. You can amazing theme is allow home. Popular idea. Coffee table made for simple wood or pallet. Side table and nice stored with draw. Would bring. Thank you for watching this video.